Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to learn how to broadcast a WhatsApp message for your skincare clinic. For example, you have a skincare clinic and you want to share the latest update and offers to your many users at once. Sending each and every user manually is a time-consuming, also a very hectic task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to automate this process, in where at first we will create a message template, then create a broadcast. After that, we will schedule the message. You can also schedule the message for later as well as send instantly. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. So welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to broadcast a message for your skincare clinic, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will easily send a message to a predefined list of your contacts, like this. So if you want to send this type of broadcast message to your multiple users in one time, then you have to follow step-by-step direction that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click in sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I am clicking in the sign in option. Here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users. As we are creating a broadcast message for our skincare clinic, so we will go in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. Here you are navigate on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. Here you can also add multiple folders, and in this home section you can see the status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. You can also add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account with the help of this button, that is plus add WhatsApp number. If you are click on this, then you can see it will provide you two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number or verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, it will ask you for the Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. The next one is the Inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and you can respond them here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the Contacts, in which you can list off your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your bot and also see contact details, create segments, tag users, etc. The fourth one is the team queues, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for sending bulk messages to many users at once. The seventh one is the flow, where you build your chatbot using a visual flow builder. It is also used for creating conversation path, capture data, offer products, browsing, etc. The eighth one is the AI assistant, where you can train your AI assistant with knowledge base to answer common questions. The ninth one is the activity log, where you can see all the records of the actions and events you have performed within the last 7 days. The 10th one is the settings and the 11th one is the get help. As we are creating a broadcast message for our skincare clinic, so I am clicking on this broadcast button. Here you can see this is the page where you can create a broadcast message for your different types of businesses. When you want to easily send a WhatsApp message to a predefined list of contacts, it is only possible with the help of broadcast. It is perfect for announcement and promotions. As we are creating a new broadcast, so I am clicking on this plus add broadcast button. Here you can see this is the page where you can create your broadcast, where I am going to select the broadcast type as broadcast campaign. The broadcast name I have given as broadcast message for your skincare clinic. Select the contact list as all unassigned contact. You can create a contact list into your account and select from here. Now in this select message type, you can see it will provide you two options, that is pre-approved template message and regular message. I am creating this pre-approved template message. message. For that, I'm clicking on the select WhatsApp template and choose a template that I have already created before for skincare clinic by clicking on this. See, here I select it. Now I'll show you how this template will create it. For that, you have to click on this template option and go with this template list. Here you can see this is the page where you can create a multiple templates. So we are going to click on this plus add template button where I am going to select the template category as marketing. The template name I have given as skincare clinic. The language I'll select as English. Here you can see it will provide you types of templates, that is text, image, document, location, etc. After that, you can also write header in this template header. It is optional. The format of the template you can write here. Here I write it. You can see it will provide you an example that how your message will deliver to your users. You can also make changes in this. Here you can also write the footer if you want to. Now you can see it will provide you interactive actions, that is none, call to actions, quick replies and all. Here I am selecting the quick replies and writing two quick replies, that is contact us and book consultation. After that, you can see your template message is completed. Then you have to click on this submit button. Then you can see after 2 or 3 minutes it will approve your template. Now we will get back to our broadcast. Here after selecting this, you have to enter the name of the user and number. Here I am adding one test user. Here I write it the number. After that, in the schedule broadcast, it will provide you two options, that is yes, schedule for later or no, send instantly. You can also schedule this for later by choosing this option. As I am not scheduling this, so I'll choose this option, that is send instantly. Then I am going to click on this send test message option. Here you can see it will provide you one message, that is test broadcast sent. Here I have got the message including two buttons, that is contact us and book consultation, that we have provided here. You can send this broadcast message to your multiple users at once by adding the contact list from here. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.